Under a $114 million contract, Israel will equip the Philippines Maritime patrol aircraft. The Philippine Air Force has announced the $114 million long-range patrol aircraft procurement project and the winning company. According to Navy recognition, the project is part of the Horizon 1 phase of the revised Armed Forces of the Philippines Modernization Program and will represent a significant advance in the country's defense capabilities. With a budget of $114 million, the project initially aims to purchase 2 maritime patrol aircraft. The aircraft are intended to be deployed in the Philippine Air Force's 300th Air Intelligence and Security Wing, significantly enhancing the country's maritime surveillance and intelligence gathering capabilities. Following detailed negotiations and evaluations, Israel's Elbit Systems was announced as the winner of the project. While the exact product to be delivered is unknown, there is a high probability that the ELI 3360 MPA, based on the ATR-72 platform, will be the selected product. The purchase is expected to be made through an intergovernmental arrangement with the Israeli Ministry of Defense to facilitate the process and make it more efficient. The project was first publicly announced in May 2015 and has since gone through various stages of development. Currently, the project has been relaunched with the first funding made available in 2021. Delivery of the 2 long-range patrol aircraft will take place over 5 years. The Philippines will benefit from ongoing support, training, and maintenance services to optimize the performance and longevity of the aircraft and mission package. Citing national security concerns, the Philippines Department of National Defense and the Armed Forces of the Philippines have not disclosed specific details on the avionics and special systems to be installed on the aircraft for the LRPA project. However, in a statement released on July 10th, Elbit Systems provided some information about the capabilities of the ATR-72-600-based special mission aircraft. According to the information provided, the system includes an advanced mission management system, radar, electro-optical and communication systems, as well as signal intelligence capabilities.